Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well despite the current situation. So today I'm going to teach you how to make peas pulao or MATAR pulao, which is a rice dish with peas and onions. It's lovely on its own and it's also delicious with a nice curry. So for this dish you're going to need some rice. I've got 4 cups of rice. I've used this cup. That's 4 cups. This will serve about 6 to 8 people, I believe. You'll need 1 onion chopped, some olive oil, and also 2 vegetable stock cubes, a bowl full of frozen peas. I've got 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and in this bowl I have got some cinnamon stick, and also it's 1/2 teaspoon of black peppercorns and around 4 or 5 cloves. It just gives a nice flavour. So I've just added around 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil into the pan, and I'm just going to add in the chopped onions, and we're going to fry the onions until they're nice and brown. So the onions are nicely brown now. I've made them quite dark. It gives the rice a lovely colour when it's cooked. So I'm going to add in the peas now. The frozen peas are going to go in, and also the spices and the salt. Now we'll add the stock cubes as well. So we're just going to fry off the peas so they're a little bit soft, and then we're going to add in the water. So we used 4 cups of rice, so we'll use 8 cups of water to cook the rice in. So I've added in the 8 cups of water, and we're just going to wait for the water to come to the boil before we add in the rice. So the water's boiling now, so I'm just going to add in the drained rice. So I've added in the drained rice, and we're going to cook the rice on a high heat until most of the water gets absorbed. It's boiling away. Just keep a close eye on the rice though. So as you can see, the water has almost all been absorbed by the rice. It's just a little bit left, so I'm just going to reduce the heat now. I'm going to cover the rice, and we're going to use any flat pan, tawa, or frying pan just to put under the pot, so that the rice doesn't get stuck or burnt on the bottom of the pot. So it's on a low heat now. I've covered the rice with some foil as well, and we're just going to leave this on a low heat to cook through for around 10 to 20 minutes until the steam starts coming out of the rice. So it's been around 15 minutes now, so I'm just going to see if it's done. Yes, it's cooked through. There's plenty of steam coming out, and you can see the edges are nicely cooked. So this is ready to serve. This will be delicious with any curry or just on its own with some yogurt. I hope you enjoy the rice, and look forward to seeing you in my next video.